probably best known for its starring role in the Hollywood blockbuster Top Gun, the U.S. Navy's Grumman F-14 Tomcat is a supersonic, variable geometry, two-seat, carrier-based, air superiority fighter. The Tomcat was developed for the U.S. Navy's Naval Fighter Experimental (VFX) program following the collapse of the F-111B project. The F-14 first flew in 1970 and made its first deployment in 1974 with the U.S. Navy aboard USS Enterprise, replacing the McDonnell Douglas F-4 Phantom II. The F-14 served as the U.S. Navy's primary maritime air superiority fighter, fleet defense interceptor, and tactical aerial reconnaissance platform into the 2000s. The Tomcat was retired by U.S. Navy in 2006, supplanted by the Boeing F/A-18 Super Hornet. The Grumman F-14 Tomcat manual covers operating and maintaining this aircraft, and is filled with first-person insights into flying the Tomcat. Find the link below and buy the book now.